Thinking about becoming a real estate agent but dreading that license exam? You're not alone. The real estate salesperson exam is a hurdle, but definitely one you can overcome. Let's break down the challenges and equip you with strategies to succeed. First, understand the exam format. Typically, it's a multiple-choice test covering national real estate principles and state-specific laws. Choosing the right study materials is crucial. Opt for reputable textbooks, exam prep courses, and online resources. Look for materials specifically tailored to your state's exam. A great strategy is to create a study schedule and stick to it. Allocate more time to subjects you find challenging. Flashcards are your best friend for memorizing definitions and key concepts. Practice, practice, practice. Take as many practice exams as possible to get comfortable with the question format and timing. During the exam, read each question carefully. Eliminate obviously wrong answers first. Manage your time effectively. If you're stuck, move on and come back to it later. Don't leave any questions unanswered. Pay extra attention to common areas of difficulty, like real estate law, contracts, and calculations. Many exams test your knowledge of ethical conduct, so make sure to be very familiar with the code of ethics. Passing the real estate exam takes dedication and preparation. By understanding the challenges, utilizing effective study strategies, and focusing on key areas, you'll be well on your way to achieving your real estate career goals. Good luck.